Greetings guys, USDJPY, this is your mentor. Today I'm gonna just overall the structure of dollar index, a DXY specifical, so that we can able to understand in a long term what's gonna happen in the market. Because of, remember, a DXY, it's a specifical dollar because of each and every currency it have its own index. So what I'm gonna just do currently right now, I'm gonna just start overlaying the structure of the market into a DXY. So as always, I'm started to analyze the market from our bigger time frame, which is our monthly time frame. So as we can see, this is our monthly time frame. This is our dollar index. This is our DXY. First of all, I'm gonna just point at my lowest low, my outer trend line, which is my supported trend line, and then I'm gonna just point at even my resistance trend line, so that we can able to understand what's really happening in the market. So first of all, as we can see here, I managed to apply a trend line. This is our supported trend line. This is our resistance trend line. At the same time, we have the previous zones that the market may respect for the previous days. So this is another zones that I'm just mark right now. But first of all, I'm gonna just mark my highest high, and then this is my lowest low into our dollar index, a DXY specifical. As we can see, what I'm gonna just do, I will quickly move it to our weekly time frame, because of there are some other things that we can't able to see into a monthly time frame. But into a bigger time frame, we're gonna see those stuff that we didn't see at the same time. So first of all, this is my first point. This is my first point. This is my second point as the market did manage to fetch here. So I'm gonna just count only 3 touches here, so that we can able to understand what the market is doing. So currently right now, I'm gonna just point at my first point and then my second point. That means we don't have a third point into our supported trend line. So currently right now, as we are into a weekly time frame, what I'm gonna just do, my main point, I have to understand why the reason market managed to bounce into this level, respecting this level. That's the main concept for me to able to continue with the analysis of the dollar index specifically. So currently right now, I'm gonna just point my this level here, or not pointing using this line. Let me just use a horizontal line and mark our lowest level. This is our lowest level here. We can able to understand or to determine what the market is doing. So currently right now, as we can just check very well, it's a psychological level. Market have been respecting here. Even before we can broken here, market respected this level here. Even here, we came back and bounced into this level. And then at the same time, market managed to make my psychology break out and came back into this level, push to the downside. And then before it can even, after broken, it managed to respect this level here. And then even here, you can see market have been creating the fake out here. So this level, we can see that it's a psychological level, is the strongest level that the market is always respecting, this kind of level. So what I'm gonna just do currently right now, before I can even move it forward, I'm gonna just start to point this level from here and move it forward and mark until here, so that I can able to determine the direction of the market, so that I can able to understand a dollar index is still strong or a dollar is gonna be weaker. So this is the main point. That's the reason why I was marking that level, because of each and everything it happened with a reason. For currently right now, for us to bounce here, we can able to understand the reason why we can find ourselves bouncing into this level, because of each and every time market respect this level here. For reason for us to bounce into this level is because of this high. So each and everything, it happened with a reason into a foreigners exchange market. But we can see that before 1,000 years ago, market managed to give us the most popular pattern, which is ascending channel. When I just pointed my first pointed here and put it here, and then pointing even this level, we can see what the market it was creating here. As the market it was giving us an impulsive and came back forming a certain pattern, which is the one that we call it as descending channel, for us to end up buying to this level. By buying into this level, we can able to understand the reason why the market it managed to return here is because of this level here, and then even this level here. But currently right now, nothing clear, so that you can able to understand understand the reason why market managed to bounce into that level. So let's just move it forward so that we can able to understand what the market is doing. So I'm gonna just adjust this level here. I'll just adjust this level so that we can able to understand what the market is doing in a long term. So because of there is nothing that I can just even show you right now, let's just move it forward, go to our daily time frame. As you know that me, I'm using a top-down analysis. So currently right now, as we can see, each and everything, it happened with a reason into a foreigners exchange market. So currently right now, for us to bounce into that level, let me just take it from the previous. Let me just take it from here. For us to came back fetching this level, failing to bounce into that level is because of we was wanted to respect this level, respecting this kind of level, because of there are levels that are very absolutely important for us. We may go with a reason to come back into this level. This is it. We suppose there's nothing manipulation here. That's why for the previous days I was telling people that market is not personal. There is no one who can manipulate you unless the brokers, but nothing, no one can manipulate you. Cool. So currently right now, as we analyzing a dollar index, a dollar specifical, so we are here. Market managed to give us descending channel, market goes up and end up came back to fetch this level. When I just check currently right now, the market, it was respecting into this level. So each and everything, believe me when I say that everything, it happened with a reason. So currently right now, by bouncing here is because of the previous. So each and every time market respect the previous level, but we are here. That's the main concept that we wanted to understand. That's the main concept that we wanted to determine so that we can able to understand what the market is doing here. So as you can just check very well, without analyzing the market, we can able to understand what the market is doing here. As you can see, this is our first shoulder. This is, I can say, this is it's our second shoulder, and then this is our first shoulder, and then this is our second shoulder here. This is our main head, our head. So this is, it's an overall structure of the pattern. We find a pattern within the pattern. So market technical managed to confirm itself. So when we just apply our own a trend line side, we can able to see that what the market is doing. This is, it's a major pattern. So this is, it's an inverse head and shoulder. As we know that we have the neutral and the continuation and the and then the reversal pattern. So currently right now, I'm gonna just go to an H4, because of H4 for me is main use for the continuation pattern or the reversal pattern. So currently right now, what the market, it managed to give us, the market itself, it managed to give us the most popular pattern. As we can see here, the market, it managed to give us the most popular pattern. When I just check very well, and then the market itself, it managed to give us this kind of level here, this kind of a level here, which is, this is our first shoulder, and I'll count it as the main shoulder. This is our first shoulder, this is our second shoulder, this is our main head and shoulder. So currently right now, what I'm gonna just do, I'll just quickly put my trend line here. So this is, it's a main the previous structure. So let me just counted the trend line into this level here. So I'm not gonna use this point, I'm gonna just use this point here, because of somewhere, somehow, some other point we're gonna say this is our this is the one that we end up even calling it's a fake out. So let me quickly move it back into our daily time frame so that we can able to understand what the market is doing. This is our first point, this is our second point, and market give us an impulsive, and we are in a corrective side. So currently right now, this is our main pattern, end up pushing the market to the upside. So currently right now, I'm gonna just mark every zone that are very absolutely important for me, so that we can able to understand what the market is doing. So currently right now, before I can change everything, let me just change even the zones color, make it gray. So currently right now, everything is into another color. So right now, I'm gonna just point at even this level here so that we can able to move it forward. So I'll just adjust it a little bit. As we can see, market, it managed to give us an impulsive and corrected an impulsive and deeper correction to fetch into previous level. Market give us another impulsive. So currently right now, I'm gonna just copy it into this level here. This is another zones that market managed to respect it, and then came back and retested and give us a heavy momentum. So currently right now, we still have another zones that we may respect for the coming days, which is this level here. Let me point it at the highest level. So currently right now, probability and possibility, as we can count it, this is our first point, this is our second point, and then we was expecting the market to deeper, giving us a corrective side so that we can able to push the market to the upside. So currently right now, into dollar index, I'm still expecting a dollar to be strong. Whatever what people says, that this is what I'm expecting, because of the market is imbalanced. The overall structure of a dollar, it's into an imbalance. So currently right now, I'm expecting the market to come back to this high so that we're gonna say that this is our major double top. So let me just copy this one and put it into another side here at the closing price. So currently right now, everything is into a closing price. So let's just move it forward, go to an H4. So as we can see right now, we are into an H4 right now. So, but we wanted to understand where we're gonna take our buying opportunity. So currently right now, I'm gonna just apply my continuation pattern, my trend line, so that we can able to understand this is it's a continuation or what's really happened. So currently right now, we can able to see that what the market managed to give us here. We can see that the market is an impulsive followed by correctively. So currently right now, the probability and possibility. So as you can see, as I told you guys, that market may respect the previous, failing to respect a closing price, end up even respecting a closing price. So this is another high that the market have been respecting, giving us a continuation, deeper correction, bouncing into this level. We can able to see that what the market is doing, the market is keep respecting this level. So let's just quickly move it to another side, which is an H1 time frame, so that we can able to understand that are we gonna continue having a deeper correction like this, and end up coming to this level before we can push to the upside, or what is going to happen. For me, according to my understanding, my own experience, I'm going to just mark this level here, because of, for me, it's a psychological level, is the strongest level that market have been respecting for so long. As you can see, let me just change it color, put it into blue side, so we can see what the market is doing right now. So currently right now, because of today is the 30 of an April, so I'm expecting the market to complete what is supposed to be completed, so that we can able to push the market to the upside. This is my expectation. Let me just point it into this level here. So into a dollar index, a DXY, we believe that the dollar is gonna be strong even during an FOMC and further interest rate decision. So we are still expecting a dollar to be strong. We're still expecting a dollar to be strong, because of this high is our 90% rule. So we're still expecting a dollar to be strong. We're still expecting a dollar to be strong. Even on the NFP, I believe that once we're gonna catch that impulsive by NFP Friday, we're gonna catch another impulsive, so that we can able to push the market to the upside. We have something like this into a dollar index. I'm expecting a dollar to be strong. So let's just test a trend line. So I'm going to just test a trend line currently right now, pointed this level here, put it here, and then pointed even to this level and push it to the upside. So at the same time, we end up even revealing an expanding pattern to show us that we're going to still pushing the market to the upside. This is our own expectation into a dollar index. This is what I see into a dollar specifical, so that we can able to trade our FOMC. Make sure you comment or you like, and then give me the result of FOMC. FOMC, we're gonna buy. FOMC, I believe that we're gonna buy, because of when we check impulsive and correctively and impulsive and correctively, we believe that we're gonna push the market to the upside. This is our own expectation. This is what I'm revealing into a foreigners exchange market currently right now. Let me just make a small prediction so that everyone can able to understand the expectation. I'll just copy this current price and put it here. This is our expectation into an NFP and FOMC. I believe that the dollar is gonna be strong. As previous days, we saw that the buyers we managed the dollar. It managed to be strong because of more people they got job, and then if people they are happy, people if more people they got the job. Even guys, it's fine. I'm gonna just do that video. I'm gonna just do that video to able to understand between NFP and CPI. So stay tuned, guys. This is the expectation of our DXY. We are really expecting a dollar to be strong. FOMC, let me just make everything clear because of is the video that I'm gonna just post it, and then you'll give me the result. FOMC and further interest interest what something like that. So I don't see interest something like this, and then here it's an NFP. I believe this is what is gonna happen. I believe that a dollar specifically is gonna be strong. This is my own analysis, my own prediction, and the minutes that we broken that level, we must know that this is another high, this is another zones that we may find ourselves respecting that level, because of they are the level that are very absolutely important into a foreigners exchange market. By catching that more buying opportunity, we're gonna end up came back and having a correctively and push the market to the upside, and came back again having a correctively and push the market to the upside. A dollar is gonna be strong. This is what I believe. So give me the result, guys. Make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel, you like and you share, and then you'll get more. Shaya.